But dermal fillers is also used for rejuvenation. So what exactly is the difference between 轮廓固定 and dermal filler injections?
Okay, so 轮廓固定 or facial contour fixation method is actually quite different. So I think traditionally, at least in Asian countries, we tend to fill areas of volume deficiency. So we have got our tear trough wrinkle, we have our smile lines and our marionette lines. And we directly fill these areas whereby we don't have enough volume. So that's well and good, but sometimes we don't really get as much lift as if we use 轮廓固定. So 轮廓固定is a little bit different in a few ways. So as we said, instead of actually just treating that area, we are actually treating the whole facial contour. Now, for us to do so, we're actually injecting a little bit more different places, a little bit further on the outside in order to get a lift, to rejuvenate the jawline, the facial contours. Number two, the depth of injection is also a little bit different. In a normal treatment with dermal fillers, we tend to be a little bit more superficial in order to fill up wrinkles. Whereas for 轮廓固定 or facial contour fixation, we tend to do a little bit deeper treatment, which has a little bit better ability to lift from the outside to improve loose skin and facial contour. Next, I think the technique is different. It's a bit, arguably, it's maybe a little bit more intuitive to the doctor to inject in a traditional manner because you're just filling up a wrinkle. Whereas 轮廓固定 or facial contour fixation requires a little bit more understanding of facial anatomy and which areas are mobile, which areas are more fixed in order to get better lift. The results are also a little bit different in terms of the traditional filler treatment methods. You tend to be a bit fuller in the center. For Asians anyway, commonly we fill up the central area. But with 轮廓固定, we tend to concentrate a little bit more on lift, facial contour, getting a clear jawline, getting a more natural kind of lift without adding too much volume.